This is a 5531 Landoll drill, a new drill, 10-inch spacing, so we have 36 rows. Landoll has a airbag system, so when you're running across up and over terraces and things, you're going to have the same amount of pressure on this end of the drill as you do on the opposite end, as it will compensate, rather than a parallel link type system where you have 450, 500 pounds of pressure on one row unit on one end of the drill and zero pressure on the other. So you keep a good constant depth placement of all the seeds in the furrow, and it does a very good job of putting fertilizer on with the drill. Then we come up here with a check valve. It's a stainless steel ball check that we use on all of the drills. It's very uniform, shuts off. We've had very good luck with it. And then as we come around here, we put a manifold system on this drill, makes it very clean. We put clamps on right in here for running the hosing through. We tie strap them to the seed tube and then on down to each row, down to the check valve and then over to each row. This is a system that they're going to use a GPS monitor system on it. We've gone with the PVC type pipe manifolds. Just gives less trouble. We've run a hose down the center because the farmer has fertilizer on his saddle tanks of his tractor. We bring it out of the tube front here, and then he can plug it into his saddle tanks or his pump system that he has on his tractor. Saddle tanks on the tractor, instead of having a tank, a lot of times we'll put a 400-gallon tank up in the bar area right here, and 400-gallon tank sits up there. Works very well on this drill. This company uses highway type tires, good heavy tires on the drill. And we also have clean outs. When he gets done at the end of the season, he can turn the valve and then it runs down here. We've tied it in so that it doesn't get anything on the drill. If you ever get an airlock in your system, and by having this hose and shutoff valve that runs down to the ground, you can crack your valve and a lot of times eliminate, if your pump isn't pumping fertilizer, you can crack your valve and get the air out of it. So you're not going to waste much fertilizer, and it's going to be on the ground, not on your drill, and that'll prime it and get her going for you. By using our rebounder system with the straight shots, rebounder flexes so that here it's going to run about like this in the furrow. It comes out right on the underneath side of the rebounder, and it puts that fertilizer, and that gets it down with the seed, eliminating any fertilizer buildup on the press wheels. And our straight shot kit won't plug up. We've had very few problems, very limited problems with it plugging, because we've drilled the hole at an angle in the rebounder so that if any trash gets in there, it'll automatically kick it out as the drill's moving forward. And you know what fertilizer does to a drill? It eventually will rust things up, get into the bearings, and cause a lot of problems in future use. So you're going to extend the life of a new drill many, many years and still be able to put fertilizer on without destroying the drill.
Well, that's all for today, so thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos or look at our products, you can go to Schaffert.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.